Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today we're doing a video on South Beach Marina and the Salty Dog Cafe. They are both being torn down to make way for a new development, and we're going to show you some of the proposed plans and details that we found online. I just did another video about us vacationing here in South Beach and the Sea Pines area, and I'll leave a link to that below if you want to check it out. Also, if you're interested in this type of video, please leave a like and consider subscribing. We do all sorts of things on the channel you might be interested in. And please leave a comment letting us know if you've ever been to the South Beach Marina on Hilton Head Island. Have you dined at the Salty Dog Cafe, shopped at the t-shirt factory, or enjoyed an ice cream while walking around the shops in Marina? Or leave a comment letting us know if you're excited about the new development and the changes that are coming, or if you're going to miss the existing charm that's been here since the late 1980s. So let's dive right in. After talking to several locals and shopkeepers and researching plans and documents I found online, it appears that the entire South Beach Marina area will be demolished in phases and rebuilt. With the exception of the pool area, it looks as if this quaint fishing village will no longer exist in this form for much longer. From what I understand, the restaurant, the wreck of the Salty Dog, and the immediate area around it will be the first to go, starting very soon at the time of this video. This will make way for a new Salty Dog Cafe that will take the place of the original. According to conceptual architectural renderings, this will be a two-story restaurant and have attached shops like Jake's Cargo. Once this phase is completed and the Salty Dog Cafe is up and running, that will make way to demolish the existing restaurant for further development. I can't tell if these plans have accommodations for the t-shirt factory, Jake's Pizza, the ice cream shop, Land's End Tavern, the general store, or the fishing store. I hope in one of the redevelopment phases these shops make a return, because they were always fun to visit. If you notice over the shops in this area of the village, there used to be a hotel-style rooms that you could stay in known as the South Beach Marina Inn. We had stayed here many times over the years, going back almost 20 years ago, and have many fond memories of our trips and vacations here. I hate to see this part go, and while it hasn't been open and accepting guests for many years now, it is a shame that this will no longer be part of the village. I'm curious what will become of the McCalls in this area also. If you've ever been to this part of the village, you've probably heard them talking, or should I say screaming, at visitors. They've been a staple of South Beach since we've been coming here. I hope they've made arrangements for these birds to have a home here still. So this is the area that is proposed to be torn down first to make room for the new Salty Dog restaurant. It hasn't really been in use for quite some time now, so it makes sense to start here. From what I understand, they used it for overflow during the peak seasons for the Salty Dog Cafe anyway, so there's not much reason to keep this area. This signboard shows some of the artistic renderings that show the area under the new proposed development. Here is an architectural rendering of the proposed development, and you can see it includes Jake's Cargo. That has always been a favorite shop where you can find all sorts of clothing and plenty of souvenirs of your Hilton Head Island trip. It's also where the birds stay at night or in bad weather, so again, curious to see if they will remain a part of this redesign. Here are a few of the pages from the proposed site plans. This one shows the new layout, which looks to have more area for views of the water, marshes, and the marina. Here's another render of what the new two-story Salty Dog Cafe will look like. This layout shows the restaurant and retail locations. while this plan sheet shows the restaurant layout. I have to say the new designs do look promising, and it'll be nice to have the area back to its full potential since so many of the shops and the inn have been vacant for so long. And here's one last look from the parking lot. I believe this will stay as is and just the buildings will be replaced. You can already see the dumpster on site ready to begin work at the time of this video. I'll be on the lookout for Phase 2 plans to see what might be replaced in this area once the new buildings are finished. I'm not certain at this point what they are going to do with the existing Salty Dog Cafe, but the pool area is supposed to remain. So I'll leave you with some drone shots of the area before construction begins for one last look. Again, leave a comment below and tell me what you think of the new plans. Are you excited for the new design and layout, or are you going to miss the old fisherman style village? We've had so many great memories here, and our kids grew up coming here, so it holds a special place in our hearts for sure, and I do hate to see it go. Thanks so much for watching. Consider subscribing if you enjoyed the video and want to follow along with more stuff like this on the channel. I'd appreciate it. Hope you all have a great day.